Okay, so I'm just going to be cleaning these wheels. They're really dirty. This is just soap and water, um, and like regular dish soap, and I'm using these rags, or these sort of disposable rags. I'm just gonna take this in here and it starts spraying this soap and water. And then just gonna I think this is all that carbon coming off from the brakes, but I think this is pretty effective, just soap and water. I think that's a lot of stuff coming out, and that's what it looks like. I'll continue with this and then show what it looks like after I finish cleaning it. This is one of the wheels, but the others are, this is the other one when it's dirty, and this is the rear wheels. This is not as dirty, probably because the front brakes are used more than the rear brakes. And finally, this is the other one. So I'll finish cleaning this and then take another video of what it looks like. This is all that carbon coming out.